and Tino family, welcome back to our channel. I'm Kiki.
Tino.
And we have
Kaya.
And Kylan over here from the touch the camera. If y'all see my niece Diamond right there. But anyways, y'all, as y'all can tell by the title, we're going to guess the sound. My sister Shay. Come on, Shay, so they can see you right quick. She's going to be doing the sound. Shay Boogie! But before we start this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you guys are new. Thank you so much for joining in our channel. And if you guys been here with us through the grind and y'all part of our family already, thanks so much for tuning back in. And we finna start this video. So, Shay,
let's go.
Shay. We'll see you guys shortly. Y'all, so we finna start this challenge. And by the way, y'all, the loser has to run
around the block naked.
No, y'all. Has to run by this driveway in 15 seconds fast.
Turning this on.
My sister finna show y'all right quick
noise.
before we start.
I don't want y'all to see what the... But this is going to be the first noise. Oh.
I'm gonna win.
If somebody get it right over there. Dang.
Water. The ocean. Ocean.
Kiki peeing on herself.
Ocean. Ocean. What you think, baby?
Waterfall.
Tino got it.
Oh my God.
One for Tino.
I just guessed.
Stand up again. Mom in the window, y'all. She's trying not to see it.
Get out that window. What you doing in that window?
Birds chirping. Hey. Hey.
I didn't get a chance to hear it though.
1-1 now. Okay, I'll be quiet.
Who cares?
I'm going to turn it off. Oh.
A crowd of people.
Outside.
A crowd of people. A crowd of people.
Name where crowds of people be at.
Concert.
New York City.
Nope.
The
Subway.
Nope.
The
In traffic.
Nope.
a church.
Nope. I'm just gonna name. It's
A park.
It's another name for Starbucks.
Coffee shop.
Yep.
Dang. Wait.
And I don't even drink coffee.
Okay.
What? You want me to
2-1. It's okay. Tino got 2. I got 1. It's okay. 'Cause y'all always. Before we y'all.
What sound is
Hashtag
this?
10.
Me fired.
Hashtag 10 Kiki y'all, because I already know y'all 10 Kiki all day every day. Hashtag in the comments, y'all. We not gonna start. We not gonna do no more.
Team Riri. Team Riri. Church bells.
I was just listening.
Hold on. No.
Train.
Wedding bells.
Nope.
The L. Like
Nope.
Hold on, let me hear it. Why always gotta be birds chirping and everything?
I gotta cut that out.
Why always birds chirping and everything?
We have
smell
technical
that.
difficulties.
Sorry, y'all.
Smell that.
We gotta change the host.
Oh, that is
Birds chirping. I got it. That's 2-2.
Smell like the food burning though.
Okay, that noise right there. Besides the bird.
Bell. The little big thing.
What do people do?
Wedding bells.
Nope. What do people do when they just want time
Pray.
for themselves? Another word for pray.
What's it? Meditate. Meditate. I got it, y'all. I got it. I said it. Meditate, y'all.
She gonna try to hold my mouth. Patty.
I'm trying to cut.
Stop playing with me, okay?
Okay, see, I got that one on.
32, y'all. I got that. I said meditate before 10. I did.
3 words.
Okay.
What's that sound? Bicycle bell.
Oh, nope.
Chimes.
Yep.
Prepare to get the run.
Well, it looks like Kiki is losing.
4-1. 4-1.
I hate this game.
I hate this game.
Water.
Nope.
Wave.
Nope.
The beach.
No.
Nope.
The ocean.
Nope. It's in the house.
Water.
The sink.
Nope.
The sink.
Nope.
Shower.
The toilet.
Nope.
Bathtub.
Finish.
What's in the house with rough water inside that?
What's
I'm
running in the house right now?
I did. That's it.
Water.
You
Good
need
doctor.
air.
Air conditioner. Hey, I got it. The AC. The fan.
Yeah.
Hey, I got it.
It's 4. I got 4.
4 to 2.
I'm
What?
holding my mouth for 2, man. You petty for real.
Okay.
Before I say something, holding my mouth.
I got
You
2, y'all.
petty
4
for
to
that
2.
right there.
4 to 2. 4
Why
to
you
2.
gonna hold my mouth though?
I cut off the noise. No, I got it.
Your mama smoking a cigarette.
Don't do my mama.
Look at my
What's
mama.
this? Dookie falling in the toilet. Dookie in the toilet.
Wait.
Duke. Duke. Who took a Duke in the urinal?
Shut up.
Oh, y'all got y'all. It's that ill. I couldn't hear nothing.
Humming.
Nope.
I can't even hear
I can't
that.
either.
Turn it up.
Wind.
Nope. What's another thing for when it raining?
Storming. Thundering. Lightning.
Yep. Thunder.
Okay, he got it. Whatever.
That ain't even sound like thunder. It sound like wind.
Well, damn hits, Shay.
What? I'm just
Mama.
a couple of them.
Moment.
Cheating.
No.
5
Put
to
the
2,
camera on.
guys. We
Nah.
going to 8, guys. So I'm still gonna win.
What's that dance the kids be doing? I don't know how to do it. Blood cheese cupping.
He
Storm.
cheating. He all up in it.
No.
Hey, calm down.
Keep your breath in the morning.
Now what's that?
Crowd.
People talking.
Yep.
I said people talking. So
Crowd.
we both get that point. 6 to 3. Thank you.
It don't matter. I'm
6
up.
to 3.
I'm
It don't
up.
matter. Only got 2 more. Let's go. Y'all, hashtag Team Kiki. Even though if I lose y'all still with me. I need to see. I need to see y'all. I need to see.
Who
Hashtag
cares?
Team Kiki. Because Team Kiki knows y'all lame. I'm sorry. Y'all better come over. Come over because y'all know we lit every day. So, you don't have no Team Kiki. No Team Tino's. I'm sorry. Because you lame.
Butt cheeks cut. How many times you gonna play this water though?
It's just 1,000 waterfalls on here.
Look. What you looking
Get
at?
down.
There you go.
You going back on?
Cricket.
A farm. Chicken.
It's frog.
Frogs, guys. That's 7 to 4, y'all. 7 to 4. 7 to 4, y'all. You losing, babe.
You got 3. What you
Hiya,
say,
calm
man?
down.
Maya, please set that good.
I guess that's supposed to be like that. The
3.
it's counting down.
Hold on.
Yeah.
It's counting
Please
down.
set that boy.
See.
Oh, yeah, it's all open. What you got, 7? 7 to my 3? Boy, stand up and do it. Stand up and do it. You look retarded. You're getting in. We got one more. It's okay, y'all. I'm still finna win.
It's over with.
What do y'all know?
It's over
Tino
with.
has 3 and I have 7.
Mexican corn getting made.
Sorry, y'all. Heart went busy, but we back and we.
It's because the sissy's brewed. The sissy's brewed. Got your lip like sissy's brewed.
Hi. A baby crying. A girl crying. A chicken crying. Somebody crying. Somebody
Somebody
crying.
laughing.
A baby doing a.
Nope.
Hold on. Bullfrog.
Nope. It's one animal.
What the hell is animal making all them noises? I
bull.
did a fast speech. Hold on. Hyena.
Nope.
A chimpanzee.
A cat.
Yep.
A cat.
He won, guys.
A cat.
Anyways, guys, if you like this challenge, thank you, Shay Boogie, to my sister for doing the sounds. Get in this camera, girl, so you can see. So they can see you. Shay Boogie, move. You can't dance, y'all. But anyways, if you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and say which team y'all listen to. I know y'all team Kiki all day, every day. No team Kiki. No team Tina. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you guys won't miss any videos from us. But with that being said, guys, we'll see you guys next video.
Wait, right there,
click up at the next video so you guys can see other videos. And
put your
see
head
you guys
down.
Bye. Okay, guys, it's all off. So y'all can see me run.
You finna run around that thing or you can just run to the thing?
What you want me to do, babe?
Let's run to the end of the circle.
15, 14, 13.
Hope you ain't gonna be running track like that. It's your galloping
Get back
gazelle.
over here.
Look at the sun come. Yeah, galloping
Y'all want a
gazelle.
little thickening on the
I got it, guys. See you guys